Received a CGR file from an aerospace or automotive engineering project. This is a lightweight 3D visualization format from the CATIA CAD platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you view and work with these CATIA graphical representation files. Consider this your first line of defense. A universal viewer bypasses many common CGR Windows errors. This is my personal favorite utility for this task, and I will be discussing it soon. CGR files are graphical representation files generated by Dassault Systèmes, CATIA, the enterprise CAD, SAM, CAE platform. They contain tessellated 3D mesh approximations of CATIA parts and assemblies used for lightweight visualization review and digital mockup without requiring full parametric CATIA model data or a CATIA license. CATIA CGR files store tessellated triangulated mesh data derived from the exact B-rep geometry of CATIA parts. They include color, material, appearance data, and assembly structure hierarchy, but exclude parametric feature history and exact surface definitions, providing fast-loading visual representations for design review and interference checking. The common standard viewer for CGR is typically CATIA from Dassault Systèmes. The file's proprietary wrapper demands a specific decryption tool, not generic software. Windows lacks full geometry parsing, so deeper review depends on engineering design tools. Open the context menu by right-clicking your CGR file and choosing Open With. Try CATIA first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error approach is vital. If you are still having trouble opening the CGR file, do not worry. The error is a consequence of the CGR format's specific requirements. Here's a breakdown of the technical reasons your application is failing to recognize it. First, viewing in 3D viewers. Open CGR files in Dassault Systèmes. 3D VIA or the 3D XML player, the free viewer for CATIA-derived formats. For broader compatibility use, CAD Exchanger or Kister's 3D View Station, which supports CGR import alongside many other CAD formats for cross-platform design review and measurement. Next, opening in CATIA. In CATIA Open CGR files, as graphical representations within assembly contexts using Insert Then Existing Component and selecting the CGR file. CATIA displays the tessellated mesh for visual reference and interference checking alongside fully detailed parametric parts in the assembly environment. Finally, converting to standard formats. Use CAD Exchanger or DataKit Cross Manager to convert CGR files to standard 3D formats, including STEP, OBJ-STL, and JT. Note that CGR files contain tessellated approximations, not exact geometry, so converted models have faceted surfaces. For exact geometry, request the native CAT part source files from the CATIA designer. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.